Today we're gonna talk about the amazing world of 3D printing. Specifically, we will talk about the technology of FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling. It's the best solution most of the time. We use it every day. It's a very versatile technology, but not all the time it's the best solution for make your dream come true. Where smoothness is king or queen. FDM is a technology that creates the object layer by layer, which means that at the end the overlook of your part is gonna show the layers that have created the object itself, which means that if you need a smooth surface, something that shiny or anything else, FDM is not recommended. At that point you should change to SLA or XLS. If you need strong parts, then FDM might not cut it. FDM can offer a really wide range of materials. When it's about strength and flexibility, then it's not a match with the technology. When it's about these two characteristics, then we recommend metal printing or either our traditional CNC machining. When you need a lot of parts, huge mass production, then FDM is still not a match. FDM is a technology layer by layer, which means that it's really slow. And if you apply this slowliness in tons of parts, then it's gonna be a huge waste of time. For this, we really recommend injection molding. Do you need transparent parts? Then FDM is still not the best match. When do you need see-through parts, crystal clear parts that also have internal complex features? Then we recommend to use PolyJet as a technology because it's able to combine all these extra features that are not easy for FDM. The key is to find the right technology for your job. We are here to help to combine the perfect technology with the material that you want to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 3D printing tips. See you!